We have this problem: a beam having a span of 4 meters is supported at the left end by a spring which has a spring constant of 60 kilonewton per meter. So we have K is equal to 60 kilonewton per meter. The beam carries a uniform load of 800 newton per meter. So we have E is equal to 10,000 megapascal and I 60 times 10 to the 6 mm to the 4. Okay. So number 1, which of the following gives the reaction at point A? So mga kabantay mo sa mga problems, mga pangutana, which of the following, may nga ano, which is murag ka ng nakay selection kay kani nga mga problem is intended for a board exam. So mga board exam natay mga choices A, B, C, D, pero sa ato adere kinahanglan gid nato nga show your solution na dito answer ka diretso, pero mo gihapon mag-solve gihapon ka. Okay, so gamiton nato ang atong kani, no? So y sub 1 is the deflection of the beam without support. So unsa may deflection ani, uniformly distributed. So y sub 1 is WL to the 4 over 8EI. Then P over K, so reaction at A. So mo ni unknown na to diri ang P. So P over 60. Nya kay kuan man. So nya na. Ato na nang ipang equal na nato, inline lang nato ang iyang mga units. Plus diri sa ta PL cube over 3EI. Okay, so kanetong general formula na magamit. So we have a W 800 Newton per meter. Sige lang, i-meter. Ang given sa EI is mm o Newton. So, i-mm na lang nato ni, which is 1 meter 1,000 mm. Ang length na to is 4 meters, so that is 4,000 mm. Para consistent ta sa tong units. Ang E na to is 10,000 Newton per mm squared, 10,000 megapascal. I is 60 times 10 to the 6 mm to the 4, equal to the unknown P nga dapat atong value is Newton over 60 kilonewton per meter. Kilonewton per meter, converting this to Newton and converting this to mm, parihara na 60 Newton per mm. Plus P, L is 4,000 mm cube over 3 times 10,000 times 60 times 10 to the 6. Okay, so we only have one unknown. Okay, so ato siyang i-simplify, no? 800 times 1 over 1,000 times 4,000 to the power 4 over 8 times 10,000 times 60 times 10 to the 6. So naa kay kani 128 over 3. Kani 1 over 60. Then this one, that is 4,000 cube over 3 times 10 times 10 to the 3. 60 times 10 to the 6. 8 over 2 to 5. Okay, so 1 over 1 over 60 plus 8 over 2 to 5, that is 47 over 900 p. Ang kanipod siya 128 over 3. So the value of p so 128 divided by 3 divided by 47 over 900. So P is 817.02 newtons. Okay? Kuha na to, no? So we need 817.02 newton para mo-resist sa 800 newton per meter. Okay, so next is which of the following gives the moment at B? So we have here point A and point B is at the fix. So moment at B is P times 4 minus counterclockwise 800 times 4 times 2. Okay, so moment at B is P times 4, that is 817.02 times 4 minus 800 times 4 times 2, that is Newton meter. Calculator, 817.02 times 4 minus 800 times 4 times 2. So we have here negative 31 negative 3131 negative 3131.92. So negative kay again so tonggingon straight pa man na siya, no? Straight pa siya, adisir siya mo deflect. So that is concave upward nga bending, which is not the conventional bending of the beam. That is a negative bending, negative moment. Next, last one. Which of the following gives the deflection of the spring? So deflection of the spring, ni siya, di ba? That is the spring's deflection or spring's deformation. So gamma S is P over K. We have 817.02 divided by K nga 60 Newton. That is Newton per meter. So Newton per mm. K kilonewton per meter is Newton per mm. So pila man eh 817.02 divided by 60. We have 13.62 millimeters. Cancel. Okay. So, ang deflection nasa spring, no? This one, ang beam na to muus-us lang gid siya og muus-us lang nga tong beam og 13.62 millimeter, that is 1 cm kapin out of the 4 meters nga distance.